How to turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the steps will involve different apps here. The first is you will need to have the GarageBand app. So simply download the GarageBand if you do not have it. So this is the GarageBand. Now, if you do not have it, download it from the App Store. And the other is you will need to have a sound extractor. Now, you will need to extract the audio from your TikTok's video. So for that, you can either use your CapCut or any other app that you normally use. So the first step here is heading over to TikTok and then downloading the music that you want. To download the sound on your TikTok, you will first need to download the video. To do that, simply tap on the share button on the bottom side here and then tap on save video. After you tap on save video, you can head back, open up your CapCut, just extract the audio and save it into your file. Now after done that, you can open up the GarageBand app. And after you open up the GarageBand app, what you'll need to do is you'll need to create a new project. Now tap on the plus icon on the top here. You will see on the top right corner, tap on that and make sure that you choose this audio recorder. After you choose an audio recorder, simply tap on it and this panel should open up. Now around here, you will see the brick icon on the top left corner. Tap on it to head over to this layout section. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to import a video or the audio that you just extracted from the video. To do that, tap on this loop option around here. And after you do that, you can simply head over to the files option, simply download the audio that you just extracted. I'll just tap on one here, long press on it and drag it down. After you do that, now all you need to do is if you want to edit it, you can edit it. And after you've done that, you can just save it. To do that, tap on the drop down option here. Tap on my songs. Now this will get saved. As you can see right here, this is just saved. Now you can long press on this and then tap on the share icon. After you tap on the share icon, you will see the ringtone option. Simply tap on the ringtone option. Now you can change the name of the ringtone if you want to. So I'll just do that here. I'll just name it anything. You can name it anything that you want and export this. Now you can tap on use sounds as option here and you can select standard ringtone, your standard text tone, or you can assign it to a contact. And it's basically that simple, guys. That is how you can turn a TikTok sound into a ringtone. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.